Built from aluminum, this canopy can hold serious weight without bending or cracking. The wide doors make it easy to reach your gear, while strong locks and tight seals help keep everything secure and dry. It will cost you at least $7,180. A slim 12-volt battery packs a lot of power into a shape that fits under seats. It charges from your vehicle or solar panel, while the built-in safety system protects against overheating. It can run fridges, laptops, coffee machines, cooktops, and other off-grid essentials. The only real catch is the price, at around $2,000. Backing up your pickup with the tailgate down can be tricky because the camera often points at the ground. One wrong move and you might hit something. This small mirror fixes that problem by reflecting the correct view back into your camera. It costs $40, installs in seconds with 3M fasteners. Built for road trips, this 42-liter beer dispenser keeps a full-size keg cold using your 12-volt power. It has a stainless steel tap, CO2 system, drip tray, thick insulation, and lockable access points. It's easy to clean, uses little power, and gives you fresh beer on any outdoor adventure. Keeping tools from sliding around your truck bed can be annoying. This drawer solves that problem with strong steel finish and plenty of room for gear. Next up is a seriously tough truck cap. It keeps tools and gear secure with strong locks and a tight sealed design. You can choose different doors, shelves, drawers, lights, roof rails, and heavy-duty bed slides. Whew. Prices for the X1 start at $10,000. Think of this as a comfortable travel crate that can hold almost anything your dog throws at it. It folds flat in under a minute, fits in an SUV, and sets up without tools. At $670, it's expensive, but it can be worth it. This rack is made for long-term use. It's made for daily work and heavy loads. It comes in 4 heights for different trucks, and some models may install without drilling. You can also add a rear window protector or expand it later into a full ladder rack system. And this lights give your truck a bright look without making things complicated. Each one puts out 60 watts and about 6,000 lumens with a crisp white beam that helps at night and in bad weather. Did you know that one simple move can turn your pickup into a tiny home on wheels? This tent gives 3 people a place to sleep, plus space to carry bikes, surfboards, and other adventure gear.